Today's featured pickup truck of the day is a 1963 Chevrolet C10 Custom. And it's a bit of a custom itself. Has some newer wheels and a 327 V8 engine in it. And it has a automatic transmission. Not sure exactly if it's a turbo 350 or a turbo 400. A newer dash put into it. And some other upgrades. And has the wood bed, which looks like it probably has been redone at some point, but it doesn't have a bright finish on it. And has the nice spears that they had, although it just has the white bumpers and the white grill of a base truck. But this one had quite a bit of money dumped into it. And it bid to $23,000, but did not sell at a local classic car and truck auction that I went to a while back. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.